We got two brand new GMC Denali's with two different styles of bed covers. Right here is the all aluminum Retractable Pro. You can slide this cover back and forth. You can constantly locked wherever you want. You push the lock down and it'll stay wherever along the track. And right here we did a hard folding backflip MX4. So you can see this one is a sectional folding and it folds up all the way. So this one you actually maximize the bed space. There's no canister taking up any space. Both of them are secure. They're gonna protect your things from the weather. They both are custom fit for the trucks, and we have them both in stock here in Phoenix at Truck Access Plus, or shop online truckaccessplus.com.